Welcome to this tutorial on mastering the image grid block. In this video, we'll guide you through creating a visually appealing image grid, which is perfect for showcasing 3 to 5 images. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide. First, add the image grid using the block menu. Next, you can add images by selecting a single item and then clicking on Select Image over here on the right. And please note that the minimum recommended image size is 768 pixels wide. Once you've added an image, you can customize it by clicking on the single item and then using the block options over here on the right. You can change the relative position by moving this little wheel around. You can enlarge the image, and then you can also replace the image by clicking the replace button and choosing a different image, or you can remove it altogether. To add another image, simply click in another single item, select an image, and we'll grab another one from the media library. Once you've added several images, you can change their order by using this arrow that's above the contextual menu, and you can shift your images from side to side. You can also select the entire block by clicking on this image at the top left of the contextual image. And now over here you can see that we have a number of display options for the entire block. You can give the image a header, you can change the background color to be gray or white, you can control the number of columns. So here I have 4 columns, and to add a 4th image, I click on this blue plus sign at the bottom, and then now I can select image and grab another image from my media library. And again, let's go back to selecting the entire block. You can change the width, so you can have the default, you can have large, or you can select max width. And you can also change the size, the padding or the gap between images. And finally, you can change the aspect ratio, so you have the choice of portrait, square, or the default, which is landscape. There are all kinds of other configurations that you can do, so have a look at the block library, and you'll see here all kinds of different configurations that you can use for your image grid.